Linking Teachers with Technology. Welcome to a video with Madame McDonald.
Sometimes you want to make a copy of a Google Sheet, and if you open up a link that has the words copy at the end of it, this is the page that comes up. It is forcing you to make a copy. And so the words here is copy document. Would you like to make a copy of learning to use spreadsheets? And if it gives you this option to make a copy, you're going to click yes. And now what it is doing is it's adding a copy of this sheet directly into your Google Drive. And here is our level up virtual board game, which is going to be a lot of fun as we learn new ways of using Google Sheets. And how you can find where it has saved it is if you click on the file folder all the way up at the top here, you click on the word move, and you can see where it has saved your the copy that you just created. And as you can see, it's just put it directly into my drive. So that is how you make a copy. You can also make a copy by going up to the top and you're going to click on File. And when you click on File, you can come all the way down to here where it says Make a Copy. And all it's going to do is make a copy in the same folder that you're in currently. And it's going to place a copy. Actually, if we click on it, I'll show you what it gives you. So it gives you the option to change the name of it. It shows you that it's going to be going in your drive. And if it's going into a specific drive, it will also show you that as well. And then you have the option to share it with the same people or copy the comments. And so all you're going to do is click OK.
Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching.